Hi everyone, I'm Shellie Geigle with JS Hobbies and Crafts, and I am selling my original Butterfly Medley mini album that I had done a tutorial on. And this is loaded with die cuts. A lot of work went into this. Stamping, die cutting, inking the butterflies, handmade flowers. And this is an 8.5 by 6.5 with a 3.5 inch spine. So go ahead and open it up and show you everything. All right, so over here we have a magnetic flip. And here we have a fold out. And we also have a side pocket with some picture mats. This flips out, and we have another pocket with more picture mats. Over here, large pocket and a place to journal here. We have a couple, here's a large picture mat, another picture mat, and then a tag. All right, so over here what we have is a large pocket. Has a very large picture mat there. We have another picture mat, another one, and then a journaling tag. Next page, we have a fold up. And up here we have a pocket, picture mat, tag. Down here, whoops, down here is a fold out, and this just folds right on out. And we have another pocket, picture mat, and a tag. Here we have a side pocket, a couple mats. Over here is a large pocket, picture mats, and a tag. Next page. What we have here is another pocket with the picture mat. Over here, large side pocket. We have some picture mats here. And we also have this to where it's glued onto this mat, and you can just place a photo right here. Some more picture mats. A lot of little butterflies and handmade flowers. Here we have a fold up, place to plant your photo. A lot of places here to put photos. Here, and that folds down. This is a fold out, and place a photo right there. And we have another pocket over here, and a place just to plant your photo right here too. Mats and a tag. Now over here we have a large pocket. It's kind of like a fold out, and you have room to place a lot of photos in there. So up here we have a little pocket for a tag. This folds open, and you can get a lot of stuff in there. And all I have right now is this, but you can definitely put more in there. And that's magnetic. Here we have a pocket down here. I think you can see that. Picture mat and tag. Up here is a top loading pocket. So all you do is just place your photo or put your photos here, but you can also just place that right up in there and it will stay. Next page, what we have, and this ties into a bow to hold this down. We have a little waterfall here. And a little pocket for a little tag. And you can plant your photo right there. Over here we have a side pocket with some picture mats. And we got bling and everything else going on in here. This is a fold out, and you can place a photo here if you want it. It has a side pocket with picture mats. Has a little tag here. Over here we have a pocket, picture mat, and a tag. Okay, back here we have a double pocket, and you can get large photos in there. And we have a smaller pocket up here, a couple tags. Over here is a magnetic band. It just opens up. And we have a fold out. And there's a pocket over here, a couple picture mats. This folds out again, and we have another pocket, some picture mats, and a very large pocket back here with a large picture mats. Okay, so that is my butterfly medley, and if you are wanting to purchase it, it is on my website. A link underneath this video in the description area is provided. Thanks for visiting.